Hey, what's up, you guys? Today's day 73, and today I will be writing the script for page 17. And I had already started working on the website to update it a little bit um, for these t-shirts and stuff. I'm about to start posting probably this weekend, I guess, probably like one at a time or whatnot. I also wanted to work on like a New Year's resolution list promo. I thought that would be kind of cool. Just little stuff like that I might tinker in Photoshop with, but nothing too drastic. As far as the comic, I'm just going to be writing the next page, so I could probably knock that out tomorrow. I'm working on some a little extra stuff. I've been like doing some research and stuff like that. Thinking about like products and whatnot that I want to start designing to get ready for the next show or whenever I'm going to be somewhere to have like a presence and whatnot. So I'll be giving stuff out. These postcards that I made have really been working for me. They've been kind of hitting home as far as using them as promotional material and kind of like a business card for myself and for the comic. I've actually made some connections, and I ended up having a meeting with someone yesterday. I was pretty excited about, a guy that wants to work with me, kind of contract worthy, as well as partnering on something in the future. So we'll see if that goes through. But all in all, it's really cool having something in my hand. It's saying that this is what I do, or this is what we do. This is the idea. So yeah, shouts out to the comic and everyone who has a connection with it. I'm probably not going to record Photoshop work today, just because it's going to be weird, or me just typing stuff and deleting stuff or whatever. But you'll see whenever I post what I'll be working on, what I'm working on. So yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I'll see you tomorrow.